Hi, welcome to the next topic of this module. Now, in this topic, we are going to explore what are iterators or loops in Java. There are basically three types of loops in Java. The first one is known as for loop, the second one is while loop, and the third one is the do while loop. Now, before we dive deeper into this topic, let me first check out why do we really need loops in Java. So for that, first let us check out our problem statement, and we will solve this problem statement with the help of iterators or loops in Java. So inside our application, I have cleaned up my main function. So within the main function, suppose if I give you a problem statement to write a program to find out the odd numbers between 1 to 4. That is, the range of numbers is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So within the 4 numbers, you have to identify what are odd numbers. So as a beginner, our first approach will be to use the if-else conditional statement. So let us use if and then check the condition for the first number, that is 1. If 1 is not divisible by 2, then definitely the number is odd, right? So within the if block, let us print out 1. So if this condition is true, then only this code will be executed. That is, we will find out 1 is odd or not, right? Now, if you notice here, we are having a single statement within the if block. Now, whenever we have a single statement within some block, then you can simply remove this block, that is the curly bracket open and close. So this statement will be a part of the if block. So you don't have to explicitly declare the curly bracket open and close. It will work fine. And now let us come to our number 2, that is our second number. So for that, again I will copy the code from here and paste it. And instead of 1, now we are going to use 2. If 2 modulus 2 is not equal to 0, then the number is actually odd. And now let us copy and paste the code for 3 and 4 as well. And let us now format the code by giving the space so as to make our code look more cleaner. And now let us run the code. So here we get 1 and 3 in the output console. So out of the 4 numbers, we have 1 and 3 as the odd number, and rest of the numbers are even in nature. And now let us rectify our code further. If you notice here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. All are getting incremented by 1 each time. So here let us use the int number equal to, let's say, 1. And here instead of 1, let us use the variable name of number whose value is 1 currently. And soon after this, before the if condition, let us increment the number equal to number plus 1. Now this statement can also be replaced by the increment operator, that is number plus plus. If you remember from our previous module where we discussed about the operator. Now soon after this statement is executed, the value of number becomes 2. So let us replace this 2 by number variable, and here as well replace it by number. And then before the if condition of 3, let us use again number plus plus, that will increment our number variable by 1. So here our number becomes 3. So here again let us apply the same process and at the end again number plus plus. And now let us run the code again. So here again we are getting the same output of 1 and 3. Now if you notice here, each time we are having the same code getting repeated. Here we have the if condition, then same print statement. Here again same if condition and print statement. And throughout our program we are constantly incrementing the number variable. Here again. So every time our code is getting repeated. Now what if I increase the range? Let us say 1 to 10. If I ask you to find the odd numbers between 1 to 10. So in that case, you again need to copy and paste the code again and again till you reach the number 10. Do you think it is practically possible? The answer is no. So this is actually our problem statement. So let us solve this using the iterators in Java.